Hi guys, welcome to Humanoid. So today I'll be teaching you guys what is Python and what is an IDE. It is an introduction to Python. So without any overdue, let's start. So what is Python? Python high-level programming language. Python is easy to learn and it has a simple syntax and it's free. I think Python and HTML are the perfect programming languages for becoming a programmer because both these languages are very easy. It's a perfect language that can help you becoming a programmer and help you succeed as a programmer. So what is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is a program dedicated to software development. There are several tools specifically designed for software development. An IDE enables programmers to unite the different aspects of writing computer program. There are a lot of IDEs. For example, Atoms, Visual Studio Code, and PyCharm, and so on. What kind of job opportunities can you do with Python? You can become a junior Python developer, Python full stack developer, GIS analyst, senior Python developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, data scientist, and so on. In the coming videos, I'll be teaching you guys how to download Python and how to download PyCharm. Or you don't want to download any IDE and you want to use a IDE in a website for free. I'll put the link in the description. The website is called repl.it. It's a really good website. It help you if you don't like to download an IDE and you want to execute the course in online or website. Really good website. You can actually check it out. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you guys.